Hello guys and welcome to Damn Fast. Today we are in this beautiful 2022 Audi Q4 E-tron. And this is actually quite a nice car. So let's start off with the battery and motor specs. So this car has a 77 kilowatt hour battery pack, which provides it with enough range for around 400 real life kilometers. So that's actually pretty usable. And this is the 40T, not the TFSI of course. So this is the 40 E-tron, which gives you the 204 horsepower or 150 kilowatts. So this car does the 0 to 100 in 8.2 seconds, and we have a top speed of around 160 kilometers an hour. So about this car, first off, in this POV drive, I'm going to tell you some more about the car, about the interior, about the specs and all that kind of stuff, and then I will shut up and just drive this car so that you can feel the experience of driving this all new Q4 E-tron yourself. The exterior and interior. So we have a full S-Line spec'd version, which means that we have a S-Line interior, as you can see here with the badging. They're also in the doors, and we have an S-Line exterior, of course. So this car is in Nardo Gray, and it has the RS wheels. So these are 21-inch alloys with some really nice aerodynamic design. So while you have such big rims, they are still pretty energy efficient. So that's really cool. Further on, we have a Sonos sound system, which actually sounds great. And of course, we have the touch swivel wheel right here for the volume. So right here we have the MMI system. We actually made a separate video about this, where we can go all in depth about all the things that you can do with the system. And of course, we have the Audi virtual display here. Also, the one thing I really like about this car is this hexagonal steering wheel, which looks really cool. And we have a new kind of logo design here from Audi. So right here we're going on the highway. So let's test the acceleration power. And mind you that this is a 2200 kilogram car, and it's actually really, yeah, it's quick. It's quick. It's enough for daily driving. It's not as fast as a Tesla Model Y long range, but it is decently quick. You also have another version above this 40 E-tron, which is, I think, the 50 or 45, I'm not sure, but I do know that that one has the same 77 kilowatt hour battery, and also has a front as well as a rear motor. Combined they deliver 299 brake horsepower, so about the same as a Golf R. So guys, right now we are going to drive back to Audi Wittebrug, which provided this car. So right now I'm going to shut up and just let you guys enjoy the ride in this all new Audi Q4 E-tron. So guys, so actually for being such a heavy car and also being an SUV, the center of gravity is actually pretty low because of the battery pack that lies beneath the floor of the car. So you saw me taking some roundabouts and some corners, and actually the steering feel in this car is a lot better than I expected. So it's not all too bad in corners in terms of leaning into the bends and stuff, but it actually does provide you with with good driving capabilities, good steering capabilities, although it's still a very comfortable car. So right here we are back at Audi Wittebrug. So here we actually have the Audi Q4 E-tron, the Audi RS3 E-tron. Those are cars that we actually driven ourselves as well. And there we have my own Audi. So guys, that's it for now. Yeah, this car is actually more than we expected. It's actually pretty good looking in this S-Line trim. It is based on the Volkswagen ID.4 and ID.5, but I think this is just a more refined car, and I have to say it's way better looking than the Volkswagen counterpart. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Of course, we have the rear view camera here. I would like to thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and of course we'll see you next time. So thanks for watching and see you guys next video. Ciao.